brand narrative SNS Roadmap, a transformative journey inspired by SNS method. I'm Shanmugapriya, a lecturer and design thinker in the Department of Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology at SNS College of Allied Health Science, with the roots from GKNM Hospital and Own Sterling Global University, where I earned my BSc and MSc in OTAT. I'm excited to guide you through this detailed odyssey. Launched in 1997 under the Sri SNS Charitable Trust, SNS has grown over 27 years into a premium institute, ranking among the top 5 colleges in Coimbatore, with a vision to become an internationally recognized university. Today, as a part of SNS Roadmap Understanding Hackathon, we will explore how the roadmap, spanning foundation framework, culture, growth and innovation, and excellence in creation, shapes our future. Began in 1997 with Sri SNS Charitable Trust, driven by a philanthropic outlook to serve the society in education, textile, software, allied industries. Over 27 years, we have expanded from preschool to advanced graduate and postgraduate programs in arts and science, engineering, pharmacy, allied health science, nursing, physiotherapy, and research. Our vision is to build an entrepreneurial mindset through our design thinking framework, fostering creativity and innovation. Our tagline is redesigning the common mind and business towards the excellence. Reflects this mission. We aim to provide an outstanding educational experience, empower global innovators, implement technology-enhanced learning, and develop a new design thinking framework, established interdisciplinary teaching ranking among India's top institutions. Shapes this journey. Quality education, innovation, and social cause. Quality education. We strive to touch every life globally, delivering effective learning environments through design thinking. True innovators emerges here, addressing real social needs. Innovation. Beyond engineers, we nurture entrepreneurs, planting seeds of curiosity with design thinking to turn ideas into reality. Social cause. Beyond innovation, we cultivate social responsibility and sustainability, solving community issues and promoting global impact. The foundation phase tackles challenges, initial friction and frustration, common man and business standard approaches. Design thinking with its human-centered innovation transforms these opportunities, aligning with our focus on quality education and innovation. This sets 10-year mission for 1,000 AI startups, empowering students to shape societies and professions. Our 3P culture, purpose, process, people, unites efforts. Purpose inspires shared goals, process ensures structured methods, and people foster collaboration. The framework complements these, while the 5 pillars provide structure. Spine with 18 clubs for health, hobbies, sports enhances wellness, reflecting our social cause commitment over 27 years. Drives continuous learning via MOOC courses in platforms like WHO, Allison, OpenLearn. Certifications like IBM Practitioner Co-Creator and Faculty Development Programs. Interactive quizzes and stimulations align purpose, quality education, process, structured learning, and people that is collaborative team. Sparking innovation and exam success, preparing students for real-world challenges like airway management. leadership and time management through design thinking, case studies on medication errors, group ideations, role play, aligned purpose, process, and people. Fostering innovations like OT checklist apps, launching careers with confidence. Our process is releasing professionals and process skill building and people is diverse inside. CFC with Innovation 7+7, 15 industry clubs and Gen AI. Birds AI chatbots learn to heal. Biodegradable phone cases and waste detection system as my utility pattern as well as design pattern. Empathy mapping and prototyping align purpose, that is entrepreneur, innovation and process, which is creative execution, and people is collaboration. Creating VR simulations for innovation. IIPC connects industrial visit, 7,000 plus LinkedIn connections and CRM lectures. Joint projects align purpose, that is mutual growth, process, networking, and people, partners, students. Co-developing anesthesia protocols, enhancing real-world readiness. SRI leads lake restorations, orphanage visit, healthcare programs. Team planning aligns purpose, community uplift, process execution, people, volunteers, locals. Innovating low-cost tools, fostering empathy-driven leaders. Mindset, smart OKR goals with gamification, design thinking framework, Gen AI drives this phase. OKR measures progress towards 1,000 AI startups. Design thinking solves with empathy and Gen AI scales solutions, reflecting our 27-year commitment to powerful learning and interdisciplinary excellence. The SNS roadmap in a detailed epic weaving our vision, focus, culture and 27 years of growth into legacy of transformation. From quality education to social causes, it empowers innovation and leadership. I encourage all at SNS to embrace this journey. Thank you for watching.